search box and everything allows you to search for exactly what you're looking for. And it'll search across all fields. Same goes with customers. Same holds true for products. Sales orders have an advanced search feature. What that allows us to do is, let's say we want to look at only the orders that have shipped on our list here. The advanced search has an added feature of being able to save and run. What save and run allows us to do is just go and quickly run that search, and then we can filter it however we want. Another useful feature is being able to sort by the column. Simply click on the column. If you want to sort in the opposite direction, click it again. And that can be done with any of these fields.